Hi, we're here today, and I know a lot of us are always concerned about how much gunk gets behind this shield, and so we decided we're going to take the risk and we're going to take the shield off and we're going to clean it. So there's a special little tool you have to use. It has a little notch in the center of it to be able to get these out because they're specialty kind of screws.
It's a CRVT 15, so it's actually a T15, but you'll have to have this special tool, and these numbers will specify that it needs a hole in the center. Okay. Once you take the cover off, then it's just a matter of cleaning.
And we're using Dawn Power Shot, and it's a little elbow grease, a little at a time. Get your fingers in there, and eventually it all comes off.
Yeah, no need to take the coil off or the fan, but it's cleaning very well once you take that outer that cover off.
Once you take the grill.
Yeah, grill cover.
Grill protection cover off, yeah. Like I said, it's just a little bit of elbow grease with the Power Shot, and it seems to be working pretty well. You can see how dirty the paper towel is, and we've probably only used our Ninja maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and the air fry function cooks so fast that it really makes a lot of the oils and things from your food splatter up in here, and yeah, it's not a fun job, but you got to do it because if the grease builds up, then your machine's not going to function right. Oops. I'm having to use a little bit, the edge of my nail a little bit, my fingernails, to kind of like get some of the little more stubborn stuff off. I don't want to use anything else because it might scratch it and mess things up. Okay, again, go back over it. Let's see what else we can collect out of here.
Looks like brand new.
Yeah, it's getting there. A little bit yet. I'll take one more wipe with a wet paper towel to rinse it a little. And I think we're going to call it good. But anyways, so we're going to wipe this down. This has already been sprayed and sitting, so we're just going to give it a quick wipe and a rinse. And then the hubs are going to put it right back up where it came from. It's not too bad. Nice and clean, no greasy feel. Just nice and smooth from the finish that's on it.
Yeah, and the screws are
Where are my little screws?
They're on the napkin over there.
Whoops.
I'll hold it for you. Yeah, make sure you hand start them, probably just to be on the safe side so you don't. Thing, you got to make sure you're going in easy, and if you got the tool, it makes it real easy to start it. But you got to run it in there, and you don't have to get crazy. Be better to use a screwdriver with a handle instead of using a motor. I took them out with a motor, but you can actually, if you got one of these, you can almost run it in with your hand, and it'll be good. And that way it's probably as tight as you need it. I think that's got it.
All right.
Okay.
And there we are.
And that's it.
Nice and clean.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.